If you need to reset your password on Wealthfront, follow these straightforward steps to regain access to your account. This guide will help you through the process easily. Step 1. Visit the Wealthfront website. Go to the official Wealthfront website using your preferred web browser. Make sure you're on the correct site to ensure your security. Step 2. Click on Login. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SSRIC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, is something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Select Forgot Password. On the login page, find and click the Forgot Password link. This option is usually located near the password entry field. Step 4. Enter your email address. You will be prompted to enter the email address associated with your Wealthfront account. Type in your email and submit the form. Step 5. Check your email for instructions. Look for an email from Wealthfront containing instructions on how to reset your password. Follow the link provided in the email to create a new password. Once you have completed these steps, you should be able to log into your Wealthfront account with your new password. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Wealthfront's customer support for further assistance.